You getting all the screws out?
Yep, I'm on my last one.
Hi there. Welcome to BSF Recovery Team. That's right. We're sitting in the plow truck because guess what? It's snowing again. So we got to go plowing.
What, you're done plowing already?
No, something's broke. Come take a look.
Come on. What? It's snow.
Something's broke. The plow's laying back too far.
Oh. I don't think your springs are supposed to be like that.
Nope.
Oh, so you're done plowing for the night?
No, we're going to use the next machine.
Oh.
Hope it doesn't break. Well, we did finish plowing last night, and maybe it's a good thing we were using the Bobcat, because we had to push some snow way back. We were running out of room. This is the most snow that we've had in a long time. It's been years since these snow piles have been this big. But now we got to go check out the plow in the shop, see what's wrong. What?
What are you doing?
Well, we got to fix the plow. It's only January.
Well, I was hoping we'd work on the record today.
Yeah, I know. Well, I'll tell you what. You can probably start taking your door apart so we can pound the dents out and fix the mirror.
Okay, I can do that. You have fun with this.
Yeah, we just got to cut it off. How are you doing? Okay, yep. Got to take all the bottom screws out. I'll have to take this handle off. I'll get you the special tool for that. And you got to take these two screws out up here in the handle.
Two. I have one right here.
And one right there, yep.
And then I have the one right there.
That is correct. Why are we taking all the springs off when we only broke one? Well, this plow was laying way too far back, which means that something is wrong, bent, broken, whatever. We got to figure out what it is so the plow stands up like it's supposed to. You getting all the screws out?
Yep, I'm on my last one.
Okay. All the screws out. We got to get the handle, the window crank off.
How do you do that?
That's what this little tool is for. So, what we do is we got to get behind it and see where the clip is. So, the clip is usually like this, or facing the way of the handle. And we slide this in behind it. And if you look in there, where I have it pried out, you can see a little clip that holds it on.
Yep.
Okay, so this pushes on the two sides of the clip, pops the clip off. And the open part of the clip is in line with the handle.
Okay.
Go ahead. You have to look in there and make sure, because you gotta push this in. Oh, it came out. Where'd the clip go?
Somewhere over there.
We gotta find the clip. So now that that's off, oh.
I took all the screws out, but there's a thing right there.
Okay.
Isn't it time to go bye-bye? No, I gotta fix the door first.
Okay. It's a push clip. You should be able to get that in behind it and pry it out. There we go. Okay, before we forget, we need to find that clip.
I already found it.
Did you? Yeah. Excellent. There it is. There's the clip. Well, we found out what's busted up. This pocket right here, you can see it's busted up. We can see how the pivot pin is right up at the top of it. If you look at this one over here, you can see how the pivot pin is down further. There's a piece of pipe welded in there that holds the pivot pin down and makes this piece sit right up on top of here when it's straight up and down. This one can actually go up and over because the pivot pin is farther up now. Looks like we're gonna have to do some welding.
You know, this ain't the first time I changed this mirror. You think that's a 9/16 or 3/8?
I'll tell you in a second. I think it's half. Okay, big thing is, we're gonna have to get these dents out so the mirror sits in the right spot. We're gonna have to try and pound some of them out and maybe push some of them out with a soccer ball or something like that.
Okay.
You deflate the soccer ball, you put it into place, and then you pump air into it and it pushes it out.
Okay.
You don't think so?
No. There's not enough pressure to pop out these big dents.
We'll see. So in order for the mirror to sit where it belongs, we're gonna have to get this dent out and this dent out. That means we're gonna have to strip out the door. We gotta get the wing window out, this glass out, the regulator out. So we better strip that out. Well, I think the best way to fix this is to take it all apart so we can weld it up properly. Okay, then we should be able to, let's see.
Oh, am I supposed to take this screw out?
Yes.
I got this.
Okay. Here you go. So.
You got it?
There we go.
There you go.
I got it. There you go.
Okay. Thank you.
Finally. It's easier when the door's not all bent up.
Oh, now you tell me.
All right. Maybe we can push some of that out.
Top corner.
Give me a hammer. Now I think we need the volleyball for this right
Okay.
here. And this right here. All right, let's see if we can make this work. So we want to push this out right here.
Yes. just doing it.
All right, let's tap this in right here with air pressure on it. Let me get a plastic mallet.
Okay. I can't believe this trick works.
I think we still need to come out some more.
So push.
Give it a little air pressure. We don't want to bend the inside of the door though. Give it some more. A little more.
Did you just break the volleyball?
I might have, yep. Well, worked a little bit till we blew up the volleyball. Well, the volleyball didn't hold up very well. Footballs hold up a little bit better, sometimes basketballs, but this is what we had.
Now how am I gonna get the dents out?
Well, that might be enough for the window to roll up and down. I'm not a body man, so I don't have spoons and dollies. We just do it with a couple of hammers. I think that'll be good enough. All right, I think that'll do for now. You know, I keep thinking about making this pretty again, like we did in 2014.
Yeah.
Painting it with good paint instead of this cheap tractor paint, replacing the doors and stuff. But you know what? Making it pretty doesn't make it work any better.
No, just need the window to roll up and down.
And we need the mirror to see.
And the mirror to see.
Yep. All right, we can probably start putting the mirror back on now.
Okay.
Well, I suppose the next step is to put the glass back in. Grab the handle, roll the window regulator all the way up.
Man, that's simple.
All the way down. Okay. Let's get this in behind on this side.
Okay.
Okay, you can put all the bolts back in there. So look who stopped to say hi.
Hi, just traveling around. Actually, it's been a whole day traveling around.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, Eau Claire to Amory, to the cities, to St. Croix Falls at Wally World, and now at the Hutner Estate.
He gets around.
Ha! Now I don't know which screw goes where.
Well, it's time to take a break. It's dinner time. That's right, we're gonna cook some garage burgers.
Garage burgers?
Cooking them in the garage. So how many do we need cheese on?
Me?
Me.
2?
2.
Anybody else?
Abby, you want cheese? No. Riley? No, okay, 2.
Just 2?
Yeah. Mom, you want cheese? No. Eric doesn't want cheese on here. Yep.
I think I will this time.
Whoa, mark that on. I can't let her let Eric putting cheese on his hamburger.
Oh, I eat cheeseburgers all the time.
Yeah, but there's always an MC in front of it.
Yeah. This ain't McDonald's.
All right, I think they're ready.
Keep this up and the idea of driving the beef.
Well, that was good dinner. Now it's time to go back to work. You gonna try it out? Make sure the window works?
I see you in my mirror.
Yeah.
Okay, my window works.
Works good. All right. Well, this pin was in here and not where it should have been. It puzzled me at first, but then I remembered a few years ago I was out plowing and the cotter pin that holds these pins in must have rusted off or came out, and my plow blade started coming off. I had found the pin again, and we went to put it back together, and I don't know if I didn't realize it or if I couldn't get it lined up, but at that time I must have gotten it back together with the pin in here instead of down here. So that's what caused our failure this time. We'll have to see if we can get it back together with the pin in the right spot, and then we'll see if our stops still work or if we're gonna have to make some stops for it. There?
Yeah, it's in.
Grab a hammer.
That's all right.
Okay. Grab the tape measure. Give me a measurement from top of this to the bottom of that.
5/8.
Yeah. Now let's do the same thing on the other side here.
Right. 5/8.
5/8. Alrighty. So if we put some plate right across the top of this on both sides, even though our frame is all bent up, that should make a good stop for us. That means we're gonna have to get the welder up here, but it's kind of late for that today. We'll do that tomorrow. Thanks for watching, BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, be safe out there. Maybe we'll see you in the woods. All right, you fixed it. You cross it off. Oh, you're gonna erase it. Okay. Okay. Is that all we got done?
Yeah.
Huh.